voice notes. I'm not going to be using normal voice notes any longer. I'll be using my Memoji. I don't know why. I like it.
iMessage has a feature called Memoji. Instead of recording boring voice notes, you can use a Memoji to record one. First, you need to open a message on iMessage. Click on the plus sign, navigate upwards, and you should see Memoji. This is what you'll be shown. Then you have to click on continue. There's tons of options you can choose from. You can either use a human face or you can choose to use any of the options you find here. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to work on a Memoji that looks just like us. So click on the plus sign and click get started. On this channel, we share AI tips and tips on how to make money or how to do trends. You should be directed to a page just like this. And on this page, you can choose your face shape. If you have a spot on your face, go ahead and pick one that aligns with that spot wherever it is found on your face. Next, I'm going to navigate to hairstyle and choose a hairstyle that aligns with the kind of hairstyles I usually wear. We just want the Memoji to look similar to how we look, and it may not look exactly, but just similar. For the brow option, you can try applying all the options and see which one works best on your Memoji and the one you think fits your face. This is another area where you can adjust the head shape. Maybe you think you have smaller nose, smaller head shape at the top of your head. I just don't know. Anyhow you think your head looks like. Then you have the option to select a nose type. You also have the option to select tooth type. And there are persons who wear braces. That option is there. Persons who have rings on their lips. That option is there. Tongue piercings. That option is also there. You can choose to put on earrings, but since the option I selected has hair covered, the hair was covering her ear, so I thought there's no need to put on an earring. So if you choose to not go with hair, let's say you're bald, I think it will be a better option for you to put on earrings. Actually, this is the feature I loved the most, because tell me why I can have a bonnet. If I'm recording on the bed, then I'll just use one that has a bonnet, because that's my current state. And there's just so many headwears. If you go to the bar, you can always use the one that have babies use. There's also the option to use a nose mask. You can also pick a clothing style. I went with a simple gown that came up as the first option, but then I realized it looked childish, so I ended up going with another option. Now this, for the girls, you know exactly how you look, so feel free to choose one that fits your natural body look. And if you're done, click on the good check mark to indicate that you're done, and now you have your Memoji. I'm going to record something and then I'm going to play it for you to hear. The face movement you see is exactly the face movement I used when recording the voice note. So however you twist or turn your head, the Memoji will do the same. And maybe in future videos I'll use a Memoji over my voice recordings. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, tips on how to use AI, how to make money, and how to do trends. Hello everybody, this is my Memoji and I think it looks pretty.